Hi viewer, today I would like to show you all how to reset iPhone 12 Pro to factory default settings. Let's have a look. First, turn off Find My iPhone. So, open Settings app. From Settings, tap Apple ID profile name. Then tap Find My. Tap Find My iPhone. Toggle off Find My iPhone. Enter your Apple ID password to confirm it's you. Then tap Turn Off on top right. Turning off Find My iPhone. Now go back and check Find My iPhone status. It's off. Go back to Settings. From Settings, again tap your Apple ID profile name. Scroll down and go to the bottom. Tap Sign Out. Before sign out your Apple ID, make sure you have your iPhone backup, cause this resetting process will delete your all data from your iPhone. Tap sign out on top right and for confirmation tap sign out one more time. That's it, my Apple ID complete sign out. Now it's the time to erase all data from my iPhone. And I would like to reset my iPhone 12 Pro to factory default settings. So open Settings app. From Settings, tap General. In General section, go to the bottom and tap Reset. Erase all content and settings. Tap Erase all content and settings. This will delete all media and data and reset all settings. Tap Erase iPhone. Last and final warning, are you sure you want to continue? All media, data and settings will be erased. This can't be undo. If you still want to reset your iPhone, tap Erase iPhone. This will restart your phone and start erasing all data and settings. That's it, my iPhone back to factory default settings. Now it's the time to reset up my Apple ID. So these are the steps to reset iPhone 12 Pro to factory default settings. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.